Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited because I am going to be answering the web's most searched questions. A lot of my friends have done this video and you guys wanted to see me do it, so that is exactly what we're doing today. I'm really excited because this is very different for me. I've never done something like this, and a big thank you to my team. They made me this board. This looks so fancy, and they even put it on a little easel. It's adorable. I don't know what these questions are. They put a bunch of questions on here and covered them with tape, and you just peel off and there's a question underneath and you answer them. And these are like the most searched questions about myself. I am genuinely curious about what people are Googling about me because I don't even Google myself. So I don't know what is gonna be going on here. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to show support, don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, like the new video that I am making right now today. All right, without further ado, let's answer the first question. I'm like really excited and nervous. I don't know what's under here. All right, here it goes. First question. Does Rosanna Pansino have a kid? No, I do not have a kid, but I do have a dog. I have a little French bulldog. Her name is Cookie, and I am a dog mom, but I am not a mom. Not yet, anyway. Next question, let's see. Does Rosanna Pansino have a tattoo? This is the second most searched question about me. This is so random. I'm sorry to disappoint you, interwebs. I know that maybe you were hoping for these things, but no, I have neither. But if like next year I got a tattoo and a kid, sounds like you guys might be pretty happy. If I was gonna get a tattoo, my sister and I have actually been talking about getting matching sister tattoos. That's something that we've talked about for years. And whoa, my sister, she does have a tattoo. Ask her where. Third question. All right, here we go. Does Rosanna Pansino die in Escape the Night? Whoa, spoiler. If you haven't seen the series, cover your ears, earmuffs, honey. If you haven't seen the series, it's on my friend Joey Graceffa's channel. It's a part of the YouTube originals. This is Escape the Night season 3 that they're referring to. I had so much fun. I don't want to spoil it, but I die in episode 8. It was so sad, you guys. Another spoiler, you find out at the end of the series that Joey might be able to bring some of us back. So if you want Joey to bring me back, go let him know, go tweet him. It's at Joey Graceffa. We love you, Key, please save Ro. Next question. Is Rosanna Pansino married? No, I am not married, but I do have a boyfriend. I am in a relationship, and we've been together for a very long time, so it feels like we're married. Rosanna Pansino is dating. I'm not married. I do not have a ring on that finger. I have rings on other fingers, but just not that finger. My sister is married. My younger sister is married. I have a baking show. It's great. Is Rosanna Pansino rich? Oh my gosh, this is very personal. I also like that it's so direct. Is Rosanna Pansino rich? Like, it's not even like, is Rosanna Pansino financially successful? No, is Rosanna Pansino rich? To be very honest with you guys, things are going very well, but I am no duck diving into a pool of gold-coined money. You know what I mean? I'm dog rich. This is a joke that my sister and I do all the time. We hold all the dogs. It's just her dog and my dog, and we hold them and we go, we're dog rich, because we just have all the dogs. That would be a yes. What's your bank account number? No. Is Rosanna Pansino in dessert? Am I in dessert? Oh, Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! I think I know what the internet is meaning. So dessert is a treat, a yummy thing we all enjoy, but it is also a song written by my friend Darwin. And yes, the answer is yes, I am in that music video with him. I had so much fun. If you haven't seen this music video, it's on YouTube. I'll put a link down below. It's amazing. This song, Dessert, went platinum not only in the US, but also I believe in the Philippines. And the music video is at 157 million views right now. That's so many views. And it goes like this. I'm just trying to make this board earthquake. Earthquake! Okay, next question. Is Rosanna Pansino in Beauty and the Beast? The movie? No, that's not me. I wish. I wasn't in the movie, but I did go to the premiere to support some of my friends who were in the film, and I just really, really love this movie. That was Emma Watson, you guys. That wasn't me. These mistakes happen all the time. I'm just like walking around everywhere and people are like, Emma, and I'm like, no, it's me, Ro. A tale is old as time, a tune is old as song. Is Rosanna Pansino moving? This is actually a great question, and the answer is always probably yes. In my lifetime, I have moved a lot. I think I've moved over 16 times in my life, but in all seriousness, I am not currently moving. I actually plan to stay here for a while. I do love my new home. I've been here for 2 years, but what's most important to me is being close to friends and family. So right now this location is working for me, but who knows in the future. Speaking of moving, let's move on to the next question. Is Rosanna Pansino vegan? Oh, that's an interesting question. I have been eating more vegan foods lately because my sister can't have dairy. She's lactose intolerant. We've actually been going to and checking out a bunch of vegan restaurants because then we know for sure that there's no dairy on the menu and she doesn't have to worry. In LA, there are so many wonderful vegan restaurants, and it is true that I don't eat red meat anymore. A lot of the reasons are for health reasons, but there's also some emotional reasons. But I don't eat pork or beef anymore, but I still eat poultry and fish. Next question. Is Rosanna Pansino Mexican? This is actually a question I get a lot. I have dark features and I live in Southern California, and Mexico is basically California's neighbor. And the answer is no. I am 4 things. I'm Italian and Croatian on my mom's side, and then German and Irish on my dad's side. So I am a quad Italian, Croatian, German, and Irish, but I was born here in the US, and my mom is a dual citizen in Italy. How did Rosanna Pansino lose weight? This is a great question, and I actually should make a video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see me make a video about my health journey and about the changes I made, because I would love to make a whole video on this. This is hard for me to explain in just a few seconds. The short answer is I did a lot of research, I became more active, I ate better portions, and I started eating healthier things on a regular basis without cutting out the things that I love, because I have a huge sweet tooth and I could never give up desserts. It's just not gonna happen for me. And anytime that I would try to wean myself off of desserts, I would end up just like holding out for a while and then eating a whole bunch of them. So that wasn't really healthy or balanced, but I basically found a really good balance and consistency, and it's worked so well. So let me know if you want me to make a video about this, because I would love to show you like fun before and after pictures, and maybe I can show like some recipes that I do or like some workouts that I do. Let me know if that's something you'd like. Next one. Ooh, a new one. What is Rosanna Pansino's Snapchat? My Snapchat is just Rosanna Pansino. Guys, interwebs, I'm not gonna say that I'm kind of disappointed in you, but my Snapchat is my name, Rosanna Pansino, all together. Oh, interwebs. I'm glad this question is here. Let's go over it. All my social media handles are all the same, so it's really easy and really simple. They're all one word. Where does Rosanna Pansino work? Ta-da! I work at home. I work in this kitchen right behind us. I make YouTube videos full time, but I work on a bunch of creative projects off of the platform. I have now written to cookbooks. So I'm also an author. I also got to create and design a baking line. A lot of people may not know that I was actually really heavily involved in the designing of all of those products. A few of the products in the line that you see took 3 years to create, and I was in there, blood, sweat, and tears, creating these pieces. I've also hosted and executive produced a few TV shows, and then I get to act once in a while too, which makes me so happy. I've got to guest star on some television shows, and I'm working on a few undisclosed projects in the future, and as soon as I can share them with you, I will let you know. But to answer your question, I'm always working on something new, and it's always creative. There's my dog! There she is! There she is! Oh, the kisses! You want to come sit right here? I'm dog rich! Sorry, that was a little dog break intermission. If you haven't met Cookie before, this is my little child. She's splooting on me. Okay, there she goes. Ooh, what's it gonna be? Where is Rosanna Pansino from? I live in sunny Los Angeles. It is home now. I've been here for over 10 years. I absolutely love it, but I am originally from Seattle, Washington, which I also love. I have a lot of family that still live there, so Seattle is my hometown. All right, last question. I don't know if it's the least or not because I don't know what it says, but here we go. When is Rosanna Pansino's birthday? My birthday is June 8th. I am a Gemini, and fun fact, a lot of my friends say I don't act like a Gemini. I don't know what that means. They said maybe it has something to do with the fact that I was born at midnight. So that's a fun story. My mom said that when I was born on exactly midnight. So the doctor asked her if she wanted the birth certificate to say June 7th or June 8th. And she said June 8th because June 7th was a whole bunch of labor and she didn't want to even be associated with it. So June 8th was like, whew, it's over. We're a new beginning. All right, that does it for all the questions. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions that did not get answered today. This was so much fun. I have never answered the web's most Googled questions about myself. So a big thank you to you guys for suggesting this type of video. I did not know that this is what was being Googled. This is so funny. I love it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, bye-bye. And if you want to see any other videos, you can click up here or up here.